hustle town, my city, man. Born and raised, baby. Yo, I dedicate this jam to all the single mothers raising men in a big city. I know it's hard. Let them know what's up, Filetto.
I sell drugs with thugs, hitting licks off tricks, working 2 jobs, a dope dealer and a pimp. Mom begging me to stop every day, so scared for me to walk memory lane. But mom, don't worry, my tech protect well. I told y'all one day this rap shit gon' sell, cause my heart been broke from the start since the day my father died when I was 7 in the park. So I wrote the book, how to pimp hoes and kick those. And if I kill, well, it's just how that shit goes. Pull your strap, what am I supposed to sweat? It's the 3rd time today.